How to read Snapchat messages without them knowing. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And in this video we will learn how we can read Snapchat messages without them knowing. So without further delay, let's get started. So first of all, open up Snapchat in your device. Now once you're here, head over to your chat piece. So once you're on your chat piece, if you want to view someone's messages without them knowing, here's a small trick that you can do. Head over to that specific person, tap on their profile, hold it and swipe your finger to your left hand, but make sure that you do not release your finger so you can see the messages like this. And once you're done seeing the message, you could swipe your finger to your left back, and now you have seen the message without this person knowing. So that is the trick that you can do. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.